Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. If you're looking for a pickup, well, you found a dandy right here. This is the 2017 Ram. This is the 1500 edition. Stock number is 7274. Let's take a look at the exterior, and then we're going to show you the interior in just a second. You're going to see that it's absolutely flawless. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Got the spray-in bed liner, side steps, running boards. Making our way down the driver's side right now. Don't forget about warranty protection for life and oil changes for life on vehicles here at Sunset Ford. Take a look at the interior, leather. Absolutely impeccable. Easy access within arm's reach of any control that you could imagine in this fully loaded Ram. Moonroof for those nice sunny days, even if it's raining. Let the rain hit you on the head. For more information on this truck or any other trucks in our inventory, we have a huge selection. Call, email, or text us. Better yet, we look forward to meeting you in person. Come on down to Sunset Ford. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day.